Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well and good. Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, I'm sorry that I was not there on the channel for a very long time, but still let's restart. So I'm starting with our reading series. I'm renaming it as Read with Rishabh, where we will be reading one or two books monthly, because while I was reading every book a week last time, it was getting very hectic for me. Not hectic exactly, but when you read a book and when you start reading a book and when you are beginner and you keep on taking so much contents, so it becomes hard at times and to upload it and to share it with you all. So now what now? So so now what I have decided that I will be reading one or two books monthly and will be sharing my little bit of understanding of it and something just to keep me myself in check also, as I was also leaving this getting rid of this habit. Like, this habit was going away from me when I stopped uploading my reading videos. So now will be starting back. So today the book which I have is very popular, and I hope you must have heard the name of the author also. It's Chetan Bhagat, Revolution 2020. So I read this book, I think, last week on Friday, Saturday. While I was traveling somewhere, I took this book and read it. So I had heard that there was a movie also happening on this book. So I had a little bit of curiosity to read it. So so what is this book about? I'll just read a little bit from the back cover of the book so that you get an brief idea what is this book about. So I'm reading it. Once upon a time, in a small town in India, there lived two intelligent boys. One wanted to use his intelligence to make money. One wanted to use his intelligence to start a revolution. The problem was they both loved the same girl. Welcome to Revolution 2020, a story about childhood friends Gopal, Raghav, and Aarti, who struggle to find success, love, and happiness in Varanasi. However, it is not easy to attain this in an unfair society that rewards the corrupt. As Gopal gives in to the system and Raghav fights it, who will win? From the best-selling author of 5 Point Someone, One Night at the Call Center, The Three Mistakes of My Life, and Two States, comes another gripping tale from the heartland of India. Are you ready for the revolution? By Chetan Bhagat. So, you must have understood that it's a love triangle kind of movie, but the fact that the movie starts with childhood is what I like. So, it starts with the childhood, then it steps up, fast forward to the teenage, and we see that there you will be able to relate because it is done like it has a background of ITJ entrance exam and how it is a turning point for any teenage in his career, and how much it sticks to the character and how much of a role it plays in shaping the character of each of the characters, the JEE entrance exam and what happens next. That is something, and somewhere you will be able to relate to that, what an impact it have on you, whether you clear it or not. So that is something I like. And further the stories follows up and shows like what is happening in the engineering college exactly, and what do you need to I don't want to give any what do I say, any hints. I want you to enjoy reading this book. Yeah, it's a one time read. You can definitely read it anytime when you are traveling or something. I thought I should start, if I am planning to start reading my book, I should start with any fiction, right? Because it will keep my interest. And yeah, that was all about this book. I hope you will enjoy reading this book, and I will see you all in the next video. I hope that will be soon enough. Bye guys.